My name is Philip Kedge and I am the Director of the McKenzie Friend UK Network. I'm a retired Police Chief Inspector and I've been a McKenzie Friend since 2012, and my views and opinions on all my blogs are entirely my own. So this week I've been receiving quite a few calls from people concerned about the virus, the coronavirus, and one of the questions that has been asked to me repeatedly, which is really troubling me actually, is people are saying to me, should I self-isolate with my child for 14 days before my ex does? I sort of asked, well, what do you mean self-isolate before your ex does? And people are saying, well, if I send my child under the current contact arrangements to my ex this week, then they may tell me that they're self-isolating for 14 days and not return my child. So what do I do under those circumstances? It's kind of unbelievable that I'm having these kind of conversations with people, but at the same time perhaps to be expected, considering how some parents are willing to behave. Every circumstance is of course different, so you can't give any blanket advice, but what I would say is this is not a time, in fact there's never time, to weaponise your child in relation to the other parent. And what I say to people is be the better parent. Even if that means that you do send your child to your ex and they decide to play these terrible games with your children and don't return them for 14 days because they have pretended to be ill and have self-isolated, then stay strong and still be the better parent. Because quite frankly, parents who are willing to weaponise their children at these kind of times, in my views, aren't fit to be parents, and they should spend the rest of their lives feeling ashamed of what they've done. So if you've got concerns or you want to talk through issues, I understand there's lots of issues to talk through. Don't spend hundreds of pounds talking to a solicitor. Courts can't do much at this point. They're under extreme pressure and they're changing their entire system. So if you want to chat things through, then please pick up the phone 01420 370 770 and I can offer you a free 1 hour consultation. So please do the right thing, and I'm looking forward to having a chat with you, entirely free.